Hello everybody, this is an exotic fruit here from South Florida. This is called a black sapote. And for those that follow my gardening channel, you know what this is. And it's the winter time right now. And this is one of the few fruits that are in season during the winter time. And it grows all over here. Now, this fruit is also called a chocolate pudding fruit. And it doesn't necessarily taste like chocolate, but when you open it up, it looks like chocolate when it's ripe. So it's black sapote chocolate pudding fruit. Now you can't find this in stores in most part of the country because it's when it's ripe, it's very soft and it's very hard to ship. But you can find it in some specialty shops. It's very expensive. I will put a link below this video if anyone's interested. Since it's in season now, I found a local farm here that sells and ships these right to your house. So I'll put that link below. But basically, it's a hard green fruit, but then it gets soft. You have to wait for it to get soft to eat it. And once it's at the right stage, I'm going to cut it open now. But that's how you know when it's ripe, when it's really, really soft. Sometimes the skin even gets black. So I have a couple of trees of this. Look at that. That's why they call it chocolate pudding fruit, because it looks like pudding. It's actually very similar to a persimmon where you have to wait for it's ripe to eat in this one. So there's several different ways to eat it. A lot of people like to use this in milkshakes and so on. I just eat it plain, but you can use it in recipes as well. Another great way is to take an orange, cut the orange, and squirt the juice over this. Then it's really delicious. But if you look here now, look at it. And you just eat that. So delicious. And there's several different varieties of this, but even though it looks like chocolate, it tastes nothing like chocolate, and it's not a very super sweet food. And the people say, well, we want super sweet. Well, too much sugar is just not good for you. And this is one of the fruits that are probably lower in sugar than any other fruit, but it's loaded with nutrients. And it's excellent. And again, it's not easy to find in stores, but if you click at the link below the video, I know somebody who has a farm that's selling these right now and shipping them out all throughout the country. So definitely want to get this. This is black sapote, also called chocolate pudding fruit. And the great thing about this fellow that's on him is he has all three varieties. I don't even know what variety this is, but I have several trees of it, and I've always loved this fruit, especially now when there's not too many other fruits available. So put your questions below and try to eat as many different varieties of foods as possible. And if you're eating a raw food diet or a vegetarian diet, explore what is vegetables or fruits when you go into supermarkets and you see different types of things that you're not familiar with. Get it and explore with it and try it. You know, if you don't like it, you don't like it, but you might just like it, and then you could experiment and you could research and see the benefits of these things and the nutrients these things have, and it's really delicious. So put your questions below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.